Dear viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Here is Mahmoud Russell from English for Future channel. This is an outdoor video. It's an outdoor lesson. I thought all the time I make lesson in staying indoor. It's somewhat boring at all. That's why I thought that why all the time in indoor? Why not outdoor? So thinking this hitting up on this idea, I'm outside, and now today's lesson would be very outstanding with just simple some common mistake that we most of not all some of us make such kind of mistake after learning at the time of learning English. It's a specific in a specific way, I don't know, it can be the subconscious or consciously, or we make mistake in such categories. So the first mistake, the common mistake, what I have seen in my most of the student copies and most of the students writing, that is in present simple, present simple tense and past simple tense. So first I want to say, in present simple tense, what kinds of mistake they make. Okay, the first one, when I want to say, the first of all, the structure of the present simple tense is subject plus base form of the verb plus object plus extension. And in note, we can say if the subject is third person singular number, we need to use as or yes according to the verbs, categories of the verbs, as or yes at the end of the verb. And but yeah, we learn this one, or we memorize this note and structure. But when we go to write, that we like that he goes to school, he goes to school. Here we write that he go to school. Sometimes some of the students make such kind of mistake, but when though they learn that we need to use as or yes according to the, if the verb, if the subject is third person singular number, he, she, it, or any name. If there is such kinds of subject, then we need to use third person singular, we need to use as or yes according to the verb. And when they go to make any kind of negative sentence, like he goes to school, make it negative. He, like they write, he do not go to school. It's completely wrong. He do not go to school is incorrect, and he does not goes to school, this one also incorrect. So the correct one will be he does not go to school. Here is the correct one. And okay, this is the common mistake. These are the common mistake we make all the time, and most of the student who learns English. And here I'm going to the past simple. Past simple, the structure, first of all I want to say the structure. The structure is subject plus past form of the verb plus object plus extension. This is the structure of the past simple. But when we write the, after learning, after memorizing this, getting by heart this structure, we can write perfectly. But the main problem happens, the main problems is the arises in front of us when we go to make negative sentence with the past simple, like I went to school, like this one. But when you go to most of the students, when they make this type of sentence into negative sense, they write that I did not went to school. They keep the past past form of the verb without changing, though the did is been used in the negative at the time of negative to make the sense negative. Did not, but the main fact is the correct sentence would be I did not, I didn't go to school. If you use did not, then the base form of the verb of the principal verb will be changed into present form. If you do not change the form of the verb into present form, it would be incorrect. So this was the main topic of this lesson, today's lesson. Hope that you understood, hope that you realized the common mistake we make most of the time. Not all of you, some of the students and some people make such kinds of mistake. From today it will be rectified. Thank you very much for watching my video. Thanks a lot. Subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.